Good morning or good afternoon, amateurs. Not much we can do again apart from Middle Harbour again because of the wind. We're back here again, depending on how the wind is later on. We're gonna check out around the wrecks. I don't think we'll be venturing towards Spit because the wind's gonna be blowing from the south. We're gonna get hit from that side. We're probably gonna go inside towards Davidson Boat Ramp, that sort of area. We'll check out the wind once we get there. Catch up to you guys a bit later.
Oh wow!
Have a look at that. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, look at that! How much is moving around?
Yeah, I know. Wow, what an image. This is a full yacht. Oh, the masts have broken up. Oh, you mixed the bachang?
Everything.
Okay. Good markings around the 10 to 15 marks. I don't know what sort of fish it is, but it is not bait fish. I'm gonna jig in a while. Right now, time for curry puffs. Ow! Curry puffs! Jay? Curry puffs. Oh my god. That could be king. Whoa, something big just took it.
How's the big?
Whole pillies.
Oh, nice.
Bigger bait, bigger fish. This is fishing. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh!
Wow. $13 meters.
Look at that.
13 is a lucky number.
Oh yes.
See? How can you say king? That's a king. That's a fucking king. You bastard. You fucking bastard.
On a prawn. On a prawn. On a prawn.
Hold on. Let me pull up. You fucking bastard. See? You were telling me it's a fucking small fish, this, that. You fucking complain, and you're the one who fucking hooking up. You fucking bastard. On prawn?
Prawn.
Full? Whole prawn?
No, just that little cube.
Little cube?
Yeah.
What a bastard you are. I'm happy that you caught it, but...
You sure it's a king?
It's a king, 100% is a king. That's a king, 100%.
Keep me away from the reef.
Fucking hell. Fucking hurry up lah. I want to fish. Is it a king? Hold on, is it Trevor? Huh? Trev?
I don't know.
Fucking call it, man. What is it?
How the fuck can I call it?
Oh, come on. You fished for so long. Don't tell me you don't even know what...
Could be a Jew, man.
Huh?
Could be a Jew.
A Jew?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
No.
It shakes. Oh, God.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. This is like Gordo, man. Alright.
Were you down? Were you down?
No, 13 meters, exactly as you say.
13?
Yeah.
It can't be a Jew if it's 13. Pull hook or snap? Or gone everything?
No. Pull. Everything pulled. Just lost it. Couldn't get on because it's too late tonight.
Too late?
Yeah.
13 is the lucky number, yeah?
13, 13. Keep boiling.
You know why? I said 13?
Mm.
Just look at it. All the bait fish around the 13 to 15 mark. Oh, that was exciting. Huh? That was exciting.
When we didn't bring the ice back, we were in a full-size king. Fuck.
Oh, you didn't bring the ice bag?
No,
Excuse me. Fucking hell. Just because you already got a bite, it doesn't mean that it's yours, everything.
It's here. They're here. They'll be here. It's not just one.
Oh! 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 You fucking bastard! That's twice. That's a king. That's a king. That's the king. Yes?
Yeah.
You bastard. Oh. Oh, fuck. Can you make me some coffee, please?
Fuck off.
Where's my coffee? You were just about to make coffee. Look at this. This is all a fucking mess, Jay. What's going on?
Well, you just put the fucking thing back into the thing.
Fucking fix this up first, man. Let me hold your fucking rod. Come here. You gotta go up, eh? You gotta go up.
Yeah, I know. I told you this has got to have grotto gear.
Jew?
Oh,
Jewfish? If it doesn't pull anymore, it could be a jewfish.
not pulling.
It's not pulling?
Yeah.
It could be a jewfish. If it's not pulling anymore, it's a jewfish.
Color.
I'm calling it a jewfish.
Yes. Oh my god, look at that. Quick, quick, quick.
Yeah,
Quick.
I got it. Oh, no, it's
No, it's not.
kingfish.
Quick.
It's size.
size.
Too.
It's size. It's size. Oh, thank you.
It is fucking size, alright. It is sized, alright. Come on, hurry up! Fuck ya!
What do you want me to do?
Fucking take it away! I want a fucking fish!
Oh, okay.
Fucking hell! What do you do? Fucking hell! That is size. That is size.
Oh, that is a good one.
Yeah,
They're here. They're here. They're here.
13?
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm happy because you know why? I have christened my beautiful Benford. Yeah, Benford. Oh yes, this is good. What's the size for the kingy?
55.
Oh shit! Nearly dropped into the water. I don't think it's 65, you know.
Nah?
Nah, it's only 60.
Yeah.
Put it back, huh?
Yeah. Just take one for the picture, please.
Where?
On the camera.
Okay,
On the camera.
here we go. Just 60. Beautiful.
Fuck, it looks bigger than 60, yeah?
Yeah, it's fat. It's very fat. Now back to coffee, huh? Okay. But you know what? Today is actually a beautiful day out here on the water, eh? Coffee's done, Gideon.
Ay, ay, ay. I just jig at the front. Nothing. Are you sure? So that's just on 60 exactly, is
It
it?
went here and then the tail only went about this much. So it's definitely not 65, yeah?
We need to get them up.
I know.
If they come up, it's easier to catch. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh.
Not yet, not yet.
I might have to change my rig actually. On?
Yeah. Another one. I know. It's not. That's good fish.
Now lah, pinkies.
No. Is it?
Pinkies.
Yeah. Pinkies. We're here. Let's catch a big snapper.
Wow, turning out to be a good weather. Something around the 10-meter mark.
Shit. Yep. I'm on double hook up, man.
Double hook up.
Yes.
I'm on the 7 mark.
I'm actually a bit deeper.
I'm on the 7 mark. Oh, nice. Oh, lost it. Fuck. Fuck.
He's walking up.
Fuck. Oh, fucking lost the hook, everything. Should I try jigs?
Yeah, you can try.
Fuck, that sounds nice.
Oh shit.
Like you said, he ate it. I had a small hook on.
Double hook up. Double hook up.
Where's my hook over here?
He should be still there.
No. Oh, gone.
Another king.
Another king?
Yeah.
Fuck, that sounds nice.
Yeah, I can see color.
Huh? Well done.
Thank you,
That's
thank you, thank you.
2 on board.
Yes. Oh, I'm so lucky, man.
They ate it all.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the screen. Fuck me, Jay, look. Holy crap.
Good one.
No. Oh, fucking lost it. Oh, no, still there. Jay, I need help.
I can't, I don't know what I'm caught now. No, how am I doing? I got caught into the... Shit, I think I got caught into your engine. That's the biggest problem. Yeah. Okay, I'm here to help you. Take it easy, take it easy.
Just wind this one. Just wind this up.
Wait.
This one's a good fish. This one's a good fish. Okay, leave it there, leave it there. Oh, this one's a good fish. Had to be on a fucking small rod. I just can't fucking believe it.
I'm gonna start moving the rod once you are.
I don't think it's a king, no. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. Oh my god, yes it is. Yes, yes, yes.
Happy?
Yeah.
Happy?
Oh no, 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 please, please, please. I can feel it biting on my fucking line again. Oh, look at this. Oh, I knew it. Oh no, is it there? Oh, gone. See? I can just feel it. No way of stopping that on the small.
I don't even use my small.
Yeah, see? I can feel it like just rubbing onto my line. Fucking hell, that's like fucking 3 times already.
Yeah, so why do you want to use the light line?
Well, because...
Why? Why? I don't even use the light line.
Oh, look. It's taking me to the wreck. Feel that?
Yeah, so? Don't you think that you should now understand not to do it? Use your heavy rod and just put a small jig head. That's what I'm doing. Look at that. Use that rod and put a small jig head on it.
No, I'm not using that. I'll use the other one. I'll take off the other one. Let me just fucking put this on. It's taking me to the wreck. I can feel all that. I gotta change all that later. Why do you have to wind it up so full for? What the fuck? Fuck! Okay, let's fucking put this away for brim.
Come back.
Check this out. Hot meal.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, see? Another big one. Another big pool.
Got one?
Yeah, another big pool. It's gonna come. 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 Yes. It's coming.
You bastard. Oh, you bastard. Fucking, that's 4 times already for you. Where's my one?
It's not a king.
Nah.
Nah. Oh, look at that. Look at the brim.
Oh, we were just saying.
Yeah. Keeping?
Mm-hmm.
Keeper. So, see, while we have lunch, yours is gonna go in a minute.
This will be the first fish on this setup.
On this one.
Yeah. Took it 3 days to some sort of lake something. I went with Alan and Tim.
Yeah.
But 3 days caught nothing. And since then I haven't used this setup. So I'm looking forward to catching something with this. Anything. What the fuck's going on, man? Come on!
Are you deep enough?
Yeah. Oh. This is the Asian prick before.
Hmm? Is it Asian prick?
That was the Asian prick.
Come on, Kingy, come on.
I know. Now he wants to go on the wreck and we're on top of it now. This is the first time on this rod.
Have a good run. This is so good.
Yeah, can you just lift this one up?
Which one? Lift it up?
Yeah, lift it up. Oh my god, this is on my bait caster. I bought this one almost 5 years ago.
This one has no bait anyway. This one has no bait.
I don't even know how to use bait caster. Is it a king? I don't think it's a king, this one.
No.
Huh? No, it's not a king. I don't know what it is. It can't be this easy. It's heavy.
Could be a big flatty, man. Ooh, nice. Do you see color?
Nope. No, it's not a king.
What is it?
It's a trev.
Trev? Nice. Haven't seen color?
Oh, nice. King.
Huh?
It's king. It's so easy on this rod, huh?
Yeah, big casters are easier. See how you see how
It's got a lot of backbone on it, huh?
Yeah.
Heaps of backbone. Look at it.
Okay, hold
No
on.
effort.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. You want this size. Okay. Oh yeah, your first king.
First king on the
Yes.
baitcaster. Woohoo! Oh. They're all this size though, huh?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It's half the fun, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take him out of that. I'm gonna take him out of that.
He's gonna take it to the wreck.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna take him out of that thing. Take me out of that wreck.
You're out?
Yeah, now I'm out. Take me out of that wreck.
Oh, that's nice.
Third.
Don't come to my end.
He's gonna come to your end.
Oh my god.
Here we are. He's gotta come. Yeah, he's at your end. Oh, that is a good pull.
Yeah?
Yes.
Size?
Yeah, I think this one will be size.
Size?
Yeah, I think this one will be size. I can feel a bit of weight on him. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah?
Yeah. He's going up to the open, which is good.
Fuck, this looks good, right?
Yes. Long way.
Hey?
Long way.
Still a long way?
I'm just gonna make sure that he doesn't.
Oh, leader?
Yeah, he's here. He's here. Hold on. It's still not size yet.
Angry bugger.
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's fucking small as, but fucking angry one.
Usually red kings are pretty fun. Managed to get him. Turn him up, down. Oh,
This one's slightly bigger though.
yeah.
Yeah. Because the tail's hitting it, it's pointing out.
Okay. Oh. Great.
No. 60 again, huh?
Yeah. Oh, 60.
It's a bit of a plug here. Timu jig! Timu! Here we go! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Jewfish! Jewfish! Whole pillies! Come on! Look! Good sounding at the bottom. Big fish at the bottom.
I think it's those big pesky fish.
No. That was a good pull. If only I've got live bait. This is the whole pillies.
Let me take your other rod up, huh?
No, it's okay. I don't think it's that big. I don't know what it is though. Oh, fucking hell! Fuck!
What's with you today?
I don't know what's with me today. The whole pillies. Pulled hook.
And not good.
You know what it was? I think it was a snapper, big snapper. Seriously. It felt like a snapper. Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
The big one.
Yep. Fucking the whole pillies again. I don't know what this is. I think this is a bigger size snapper. I have a feeling it's a bigger size snapper. They're all at the bottom, the bigger size one. Yep. Yep. Come on, come on, come on. Yep, I told you. I told you. I told you. They are at the bottom.
Yes.
All this bigger size snapper is at the bottom.
Yes.
At the bottom.
Good.
I told you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, baby. Now I know where they are. Oh, half a pilly. They'll still take it. By the looks of it. Yep. Yep.
Another one.
Yeah. But this one's not as big. But you need to get to the bottom. They're at the bottom, all of them. See? Look, this one's not as big. But I believe the bigger one's at the bottom. Oh, you know what you can do? Who's got the fucking that Oki thing?
I have.
Huh?
I have.
Try
I think-
that.
Let me check. I've got it.
Jig it. What do they call it? Ignu or some shit like that?
Ichigo.
Ichigo, yeah. Jig it. I reckon the one that took me to the wreck, I reckon it's them, the bigger size one. See? Bottom, 1, 2. That's it. Rod holder. 2 seconds. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, come on. One more.
Mine gets stolen. And you know what I'm gonna do? Snapper is a sucker for this.
Fucking take this off.
That's a nice pen size snapper.
Fuck, I'm gonna go for a PB snapper here. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Here we go.
Yes. Get back.
That's funny.
Keep back always works.
They're gone. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, come on.
That was a good one. Yes.
Whoa! Yep! Whoa! Oh! Yes! Yes! This is it! Yes! This is PB, man! This is PB, man! This is snapper, alright? PB snapper! Fucking get the net!
Wait lah, I'm getting it.
Fucking, what do you mean wait?
Have you seen color?
No, I haven't seen color, but just get it ready. The way I'm going, it's gonna fucking pull hook in a minute.
Well, you can't put a net in the water until you see the fish, right?
Whoa! Whoa! A Jewfish! 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 Jewfish!
Take it easy.
Jewfish! Jewfish! Jewfish!
He's fine. Take it easy. Kim, take it easy. Bring it here. Yes. Soapy, yes. Is that a soapy?
I think so, yeah. It's short. It's short.
What's the
but
size?
Still 65 or 70 now.
This should be... Go and check.
Look at that! Look at that!
I told you we'll get a chew.
God. Yes. Oh.
I told you we'll get a chew.
Okay. Okay.
That's a nice chew. That's a nice chew.
Oh, shit. Fuck, they're all at the bottom.
They are, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because all our belly has sunk to the bottom, you know what I mean?
I don't know if I can get myself caught. I was just watching, I was washing the bucket with bachang. It's all oily.
Yeah.
Oh man. Alright. Quick pick. And then we gotta release this. The short one. Let's measure it anyway. Just on 60. Come on. Survive. Come on. Oh no. Come on, swim. Yeah, baby. Swim. Woo!
Nice one.
Okay. Oh fuck. Now let's get a big one. Yeah. Let's get the mama. Shit. And that was on half a pilly. Alright. Let's try again.
Oh.
Good?
That's a good one, yes. Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Both coming up now. You're right, they're almost towards the bottom.
Yeah, they're at the bottom.
Still
That's not a good one. What the fuck?
Fuck.
What are you talking about?
What the fuck?
Okay. What's happening with this? Alright. Another half a pilly. Literally, it's all the way to the bottom. And then I just pretty much wind once or twice. Because if you're using a small jig head, it's just not going to get to the bottom quick enough. They get destroyed before they even touch the bottom. Let's go, baby. Oh. Zzz. Oh, yes. Yeah, yes.
Another big one?
Another one. Nah, this one's not so big. Oh! This one's pinky. Mid-size pinky, this one. Mid-size pinky. See? Oh. All the way to the bottom.
Arwen style.
Arwen style. Fuck. 80 centimeter Jewfish, huh? Oh man. That's it. I'm happy. Or even 70. I'm happy.
That's all the fish there, man. The moment you drop it in, it's
Yeah.
like,
All the way to the bottom again.
ah, Drop it up. Come here.
Fuck, lost it.
Thank you, you fuck. Oh! Oh, yeah. Jay. Oh, gone. How the fuck did that come up? Didn't you put it on properly? I did. Oh, damn. Oh boy, that was hectic. I don't know if we caught it on the video or not, but we lost the rail blazer there. Well, I lost it. It just came out from the rod holder, and in return, it hooked up to a small yakkers. Put it down. 20 seconds later, lift up a kingy. Still at the end, we lost the rail blazer, but it was a good fun. There were a lot of fish at the bottom, so we've caught small jewfish, snappers, legal size. Now we're getting bites again at the bottom here, but all the big ones are pretty much gone. Oh, here we go. Come on. Yeah, I think we've passed already, guys, so we're going to give it a good clean. All in all, today was a fun day. Variety of fish, and we kept a couple of brims there with a nice snapper. So until next week, guys.